Understanding Practice Quizzes, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and importance of practice quizzes in English language learning. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your skills, understanding this concept can be a big help in your learning journey. So, let's dive in and uncover the value of practice quizzes. Practice quizzes are a type of assessment tool used in educational settings, especially in language learning. Unlike tests, which are often formal and graded, practice quizzes are informal and designed to help you learn. They provide a way to review material, test your knowledge, and prepare for more formal assessments. The key aspect of practice quizzes is their focus on learning and improvement, rather than just evaluation. In this section, we'll discuss the numerous benefits of incorporating practice quizzes into your English learning routine. They help in 1. Reinforcing learning. By regularly testing your knowledge, you're able to remember and apply what you've learned more effectively. 2. Identifying weak areas. Practice quizzes highlight topics you might need to spend more time on. 3. Building confidence. As you get more familiar with the types of questions and content, your confidence in using the English language grows. 4. Preparing for exams. They simulate exam conditions, helping you to be more prepared for actual tests. To get the most out of practice quizzes, consider the following tips. Regular practice. Incorporate quizzes regularly into your study routine. Review answers. Always go through the correct answers and explanations to understand your mistakes. Vary the topics. Ensure that your quizzes cover different aspects of the English language, like grammar, vocabulary, reading comprehension, etc. Time yourself. This helps in managing your time better during real exams. Creating your own quizzes can be a fun and effective way to study. Here's how to do it. Choose a topic. Start with a specific topic or chapter you've learned. Write questions. Formulate different types of questions. Multiple choice, fill in the blanks, short answers, etc. Swap with friends. If possible, swap quizzes with friends to get a wider variety of questions. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and effectiveness of practice quizzes in learning English. Remember, these quizzes are tools to aid your learning, not to stress you out. Use them wisely to enhance your understanding and mastery of the English language. Happy studying, and see you in our next video.